Experiencing T-Mobile 5G issues? First, check for widespread outages using the T-Mobile app or website for real-time status updates. For individual problems, start with basic troubleshooting. Restart your device. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Also, ensure you're in an area with adequate 5G coverage. Confirm your device is 5G compatible, like iPhone 12 Plus or Android with a 5G modem, and has a strong signal, RSRP above net 100 dBm for reliable connectivity. For locked phones, use T-Mobile's device unlock tool. If basic troubleshooting fails, the issue might be with your APN or carrier settings. APN stands for Access Point Name and connects your device to the internet. For T-Mobile, the default APN is fast.tmobile.com with no username or password required. Incorrect APN settings can cause no internet errors, especially after software updates. Next, check for carrier settings updates. These updates optimize device performance on T-Mobile's network. Go to Settings, General, About Carrier to force an update. A damaged or outdated SIM card can also mimic 5G failures, so consider replacing it if problems persist. Remember, T-Mobile uses band 71 at 600 MHz for wide coverage and N261 at 28 GHz for high-speed mmWave, so signal strength varies depending on your location.